It's important to understand dynamic typing in Python. Python is not a strictly typed language. So when you have a variable core data here and you assign it an integer and then you try and work out what type of data it will hold, then if Python will say that variable is of type int. But then you use the same variable and then you give it a different type of data, such as a string, it will happily accept it, even though originally it was an int data type. But then it will change itself to a string data type. So this is important to note about Python, that it does that. The other thing that you can do is swapping variables without creating a temporary variable. So here you have one variable which have the value of 5 and B has 10. And you want A to have 10 and B to have 5, so swap them around. Normally, you would create another temporary variable to hold the values while you do the swapping around. But what you can do is you can swap two variables together by putting A here, B there with a comma, and then equal sign, and then reverse the order. So you want A to have B's value, and you want B to have A's value. So you just put them in the other way around. And then you will suddenly find that if A now has the value of 10 and B has the value of 5. Now, if I were to run this, and so you can see the output here, and you can see when we had the data type, we had class of int. Then when we changed it to a string, suddenly the same variable has changed to a string. And here you have 10 and 5. So here, yes, you can swap a variable without actually declaring a temporary variable. They've just been swapped around by using this. So A comma B, then equal to B comma A. So this is how you swap the variables.